Hello and welcome back. And today I'm going to show you how you can use the gamepad to emulate a mouse while still keeping your mouse and being able to use your mouse. Okay, so right now I'm moving the mouse around with the mouse. All right, and I can go all the way up here, all the way over here, down to my Windows taskbar. Get all these buttons, and I can click a button with my mouse, of course. But now I'm going to grab my gamepad, and with the right stick, I am also moving the mouse, but I'm also clamping it to the screen. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it leaving the screen while you're in game. All right. The only thing is you can't get up to like these buttons and stuff, but that's what the real mouse is for. And if you ever get stuck in play mode, doing anything, just hit Control P to get out of play mode if you're stuck. But yeah, so this gamepad right stick is moving the mouse around, and if I hover over a button and I press the right trigger, it also emulates the mouse click. Alright, so I'm going to show you how this is done. Go into the code here. Okay, so we've got our usings, the engine input system. Public class I call gamepad mouse. We've got a public float for speed. I've set it to 2000, and that is the speed that the mouse moves with the gamepad stick. Then in the start, we get the mouse position equals mouse current dot position dot read value. And in update, we've got if gamepad dot current does not equal null, so you have a gamepad plugged in. Then we get a vector2 called move and equals gamepad current dot right stick dot read value times speed times time dot delta time. Okay. Then mouse position plus equals move. We update the mouse position. And then I clamp the mouse, like I said, to the screen width and height to keep it inside the screen and not go out. And then if move square magnitude is greater than 0.01, okay, only move if the right stick is actually moving. All right, mouse dot current dot warp cursor position mouse position. Arrow we created earlier. Okay. And then we simulate a left click with the right trigger. So if gamepad dot current dot right trigger was pressed this frame, then input system dot qui delta state event mouse dot current dot left button and then byte 1 for true. You see, like button clicks, like mouse buttons, they don't use floats or ints or anything like that. They use bytes. So we said byte 1, and then else if the right trigger was released, we set byte to 0, which is the off of the click, and that's it. And as you can see, it's under 50 lines of code. All right, so all you got to do is put this script on any object in your scene, and bam, you're using the gamepad to emulate your mouse and still keeping your mouse at the same time, which is really great. So if you liked this tutorial and got something out of it, then good for you. And I'll do you a favor, and I'll post that code into the comments down below, probably the first comment. So all you got to do is copy it, paste it into your own script, and then put it on a game object. And you've got a gamepad, right stick, and right trigger mouse, along with your regular mouse at the same time. Now, the only thing this won't work on, the right clicking, like this button, it works. But let's say you put an on mouse down function in a script attached to a game object, and then you hover over that game object and you try to right click, it's not going to do it because on mouse down is specific to the mouse. So you would have to create a workaround for that. But if that's something you want, let me know, and I'll maybe do it in a part 2 or something. But like I said, I'll do you a favor, and I'll post the script down in the first comment. All you gotta do is copy and paste it, and bam, you're all set. I've explained it so you know what the lines do, and that's that. So if you liked it, please subscribe, okay? Um, and hit the like button. All right, show your support for the channel. I'm working really hard to try to bring you guys, relevant videos that aren't common out there. And yeah, until next time, peace.